Welcome to Saskatchewan, a vast province in the heart of Canada. Often overlooked, yet brimming with a unique and captivating beauty. Here the skies stretch out as far as the eye can see, an endless expanse above a land of diverse ecosystems. From rolling prairies to dense boreal forests, sparkling lakes to dramatic valleys, Saskatchewan offers a rich tapestry of natural wonders. Join us now as we journey through this remarkable landscape and uncover the hidden gems that make Saskatchewan a nature lover's paradise. Our journey begins in the south, amidst the swaying grasses of the Saskatchewan prairies. Here, the wind whispers through the tall blades, creating a symphony of rustling sounds that speak of ancient times and untold stories. This is a land of subtle beauty, where the horizon stretches endlessly, meeting the sky in a seamless blend of earth and air. The vastness of the prairie landscape is both humbling and awe-inspiring, a reminder of nature's grandeur. The sky, a vast dome above, is painted with ever-changing hues. From the soft pastels of dawn to the fiery oranges and purples of sunset, the prairie sky is a canvas that reflects the moods of the day. Look closely and you'll find a world teeming with life. The prairie is home to a diverse array of flora and fauna, each species playing a crucial role in the ecosystem. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, life here is interconnected in a delicate balance. Herds of bison, once nearly driven to extinction, now roam free, their presence a testament to successful conservation efforts. These majestic creatures, with their powerful builds and shaggy coats, are a symbol of the prairie's resilience. Their heavy hooves beat a rhythm as old as time itself, echoing the heartbeat of the prairie. Each step they take stirs the dust and leaves an imprint on the land, a reminder of their enduring legacy. Prairie dogs pop up from their burrows, keeping a watchful eye on their surroundings. These small social creatures are always on alert, communicating with a series of chirps and barks to warn their colony of potential dangers. Above, hawks circle lazily on the thermals, searching for their next meal. Their keen eyesight allows them to spot even the slightest movement on the ground, making them formidable hunters in this vast open space. This is a land of resilience, where wildflowers paint the prairie in a kaleidoscope of colors. Each bloom adds to the vibrant tapestry of the landscape, thriving despite the harsh conditions. The wildflowers are a testament to the tenacity of life in this seemingly harsh yet surprisingly delicate ecosystem. They provide food and shelter for countless insects and animals, contributing to the rich biodiversity of the prairie. As the day draws to a close, the prairie is bathed in the golden light of the setting sun. The landscape glows with a warm, ethereal beauty, and the sounds of the prairie begin to quiet down, preparing for the night. Under the cover of darkness, the prairie transforms once again. The night sky, free from the lights of the city, reveals a breathtaking display of stars. It is a reminder of the vastness of the universe and the small yet significant place the prairie holds within it. As we journey north, the landscape transforms dramatically. The vast open prairies give way to a new world, one that is both enchanting and formidable. This is the boreal forest, a place where nature reigns supreme and the hand of man is but a distant memory. Gone are the open prairies with their endless horizons and golden grasses swaying in the wind, replaced by the dense embrace of the boreal forest. Here the trees grow so close together that they form an almost impenetrable wall of green. Here towering spruce and pine trees stand sentinel, their trunks rising like ancient pillars towards the sky, their canopies forming a verdant ceiling above the forest floor. This canopy is a living roof, sheltering the myriad forms of life that thrive beneath it. Sunlight filters through the leaves, casting an ethereal glow on the moss-covered ground. The light dances and flickers, creating a mosaic of shadows and highlights that change with every passing moment. This is a realm of mystery and tranquility, where time seems to stand still, and the hustle and bustle of modern life feels a world away, where the air is thick with the scent of pine needles and damp earth. Every breath you take is filled with the essence of the forest, a reminder of the life that pulses all around you. Moose, the monarchs of these woods, browse silently amongst the trees, their massive forms moving with surprising grace, while black bears forage for berries in the undergrowth. These creatures are the true inhabitants of the boreal forest, perfectly adapted to its rhythms and cycles. The silence is broken only by the call of a loon echoing across a hidden lake, a haunting sound that speaks of solitude and the untamed wilderness. A sound that speaks of the wildness that still thrives in this northern realm. In the boreal forest, nature's voice is ever present, a constant reminder of the beauty and power of the natural world. Saskatchewan is a land shaped by water, a legacy of the last ice age. Over 100,000 lakes dot the landscape, each one a sparkling jewel reflecting the vastness of the sky. From the sprawling expanse of Lake Athabasca, a remnant of a prehistoric glacial lake, to the tranquil beauty of Waskesiu Lake, nestled in the heart of Prince Albert National Park, these bodies of water are vital to the province's ecosystem. Here you'll find anglers casting their lines for walleye and northern pike, their boats cutting through the glassy surface of the water. Families gather on the shores, their laughter echoing across the water as children splash in the shallows, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Within Saskatchewan's borders lie two national parks, each offering a unique glimpse into the province's diverse ecosystems. Prince Albert National Park, a vast wilderness of boreal forest, lakes and rivers, is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Here you can hike through ancient forests, paddle along pristine waterways, or simply relax by the shore of a secluded lake surrounded by the tranquility of nature. Further south, Grasslands National Park protects a vanishing ecosystem, the prairie grasslands. This is a land of wide open spaces where you can witness the spectacle of a prairie dog town in full swing, or perhaps catch a glimpse of a swift fox darting through the grasslands. For those who seek out the thrill of encountering wildlife in their natural habitat, Saskatchewan does not disappoint. The province is a haven for a diverse array of species, drawn to its varied landscapes and abundant food sources. In the grasslands, herds of elk graze peacefully, their antlers silhouetted against the setting sun. White-tailed deer bound through the forests, their movements a blur of grace and agility. And in the skies above, keen-eyed observers may spot the majestic wingspan of a bald eagle or the elegant flight of the endangered whooping crane, a testament to the success of conservation efforts. Saskatchewan's landscape is not only shaped by its diverse ecosystems, but also by the forces of geology that have been at work for millennia. The Cypress Hills, rising dramatically from the surrounding plains, offer breathtaking views and a glimpse into the province's prehistoric past. Here you'll find fossilized evidence of dinosaurs that once roamed this land, a reminder of the vastness of geological time. Further east, the Qu'Appelle Valley, carved out by glaciers eons ago, snakes its way through the landscape, its slopes dotted with aspen forests and its depths sheltering unique plant and animal life. Saskatchewan experiences the full spectrum of Canada's 4 distinct seasons, each one transforming the landscape and offering unique opportunities for exploration. From the icy grip of winter to the vibrant bloom of spring, the warm embrace of summer and the fiery hues of autumn, each season paints the province in a new light, inviting residents and visitors alike to immerse themselves in its natural beauty. Winter blankets the province in a pristine white coat of snow, transforming lakes into giant skating rinks and forests into magical wonderlands. The crisp, cold air invigorates the senses, and the serene, snow-covered landscapes offer a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life. This is the time for cross-country skiing, snowshoeing and ice fishing, embracing the invigorating chill of the Canadian winter. Families and friends gather to enjoy these outdoor activities, creating memories that will last a lifetime. The thrill of gliding over freshly fallen snow or the quiet patience of ice fishing are experiences that define the Saskatchewan winter. As spring arrives, the snow recedes, revealing a landscape bursting with new life. The once frozen ground thaws and the first signs of green begin to emerge. Trees bud, flowers bloom, and the entire province seems to awaken from its winter slumber. Wildflowers carpet the prairies and the air is filled with the songs of returning birds. Migratory birds make their way back to Saskatchewan, filling the skies with their vibrant colors and melodious calls. It's a season of renewal and rebirth, where every corner of the province is alive with activity. Summer brings long, sunny days perfect for hiking, camping and paddling on the province's many lakes and rivers. The warm weather invites people to explore the great outdoors, whether it's trekking through lush forests, setting up camp under the stars, or gliding across tranquil waters in a kayak. The endless daylight hours provide ample time for adventure and relaxation. And as autumn descends, the landscape explodes in a riot of color, the leaves of aspen trees turning to shimmering gold, creating a breathtaking spectacle that marks the end of another cycle. The crisp, cool air and the vibrant foliage make it a perfect time for scenic drives and nature walks, allowing everyone to soak in the beauty of the season. Each leaf that falls is a reminder of the ever-changing, ever-beautiful tapestry of Saskatchewan's natural world. For millennia, Saskatchewan has been home to indigenous peoples, their lives deeply intertwined with the rhythms of the land. Today, their rich cultural heritage continues to thrive, offering visitors a unique opportunity to connect with the spirit of this place. Through traditional storytelling passed down through generations, you can gain a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of all living things. Participate in a guided tour led by indigenous guides who share their knowledge of the land, its history, and the importance of preserving its delicate balance. Witness the beauty of their art, which often reflects the natural world and the spiritual connection they hold with the land. As our journey through Saskatchewan comes to an end, we are left with a profound appreciation for the raw beauty and quiet power of this often overlooked province. From the vastness of its prairies to the tranquility of its forests, the sparkling waters of its lakes to the dramatic formations of its valleys, Saskatchewan's nature is undoubtedly diverse, with something for everyone. Whether you seek adventure, quiet reflection, or a deeper connection with the natural world, this often overlooked gem in Canada is well worth exploring. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Saskatchewan's natural wonders.